Welcome back and thanks for staying with us here on ET Now. Now, India's biggest asset manager has opened its IPO for subscription. SBI Fund Management will see an OFS of more than 11,600 crore backed by strong anchor demand. The issue comes at an estimated 32 times earnings, below several listed AMC peers. Mithali joins in to tell us what to watch out for and the brokerage verdict.
Right, so SBI Fund Management, that IPO has already hit the primary market. The issue has opened today and will be closing on 16th of July. Now, on the upper side of this IPO band, you see this IPO is sized worth nearly 11,700 odd crore rupees. And at 574 per share, SBI Fund Management, it is valued at nearly 1.17 lakh odd crore rupees. So what makes this IPO stand out among the other listed players in the AMC space? So SBI Fund Management, it is India's largest AMC in terms of quarterly average asset under management. It commands a market share of nearly 15.5% and leads India's SIP business with 16.2 million live SIP accounts. The scale is actually quite massive. Total assets under management stands at nearly 29.4 lakh odd crore rupees, while the mutual fund business, it manages 12.5 lakh crore rupees, including 5.7 lakh crore in the equity-oriented scheme and over 4 lakh crore in the passive funds. The PMS and advisory business is also scaled at a larger one, and the company also serves nearly 18 million unique investors. Now, coming to the offer for sale, the IPO, which is already in the primary market. So, SBI and Amundi India are actually selling their company's stake, and post IPO, SBI stake will fall from 61.9% to 55.6%, while Amundi India's holding will be at around 32.6% post the IPO. At the upper end, if you see, so SBI is expected to receive 7,300 crore rupees, while Amundi will be receiving 4,300 crore rupees. Valuations will be a key talking point because SBI Funds, it is valued at 32 times its earnings, which is below Nippon Life, ICICI Prudential AMC, HDFC Life AMC, but above Aditya Birla as well as UTI AMC. Ahead of the issue, SBI Fund Management, it has already raised nearly 2,660 crore rupees from the anchor investors at rupees 574 rupees per share. So domestic mutual funds took the largest share in the anchor book. The issue also attracted marquee global investors, namely Government of Singapore, the Capital Group, BlackRock as well as Goldman Sachs, and the brokerage verdict is sounding to be quite positive. 9 brokerages have recommended for the applying of this IPO, and the streets are also sounding quite bullish, but we'll see how the subscription rolls out and also how is the listing for the company goes. Back to you.
Okay, that's that on the SBI Funds Management.